Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can connect your bank on Venmo. So let's dive in. Now that you've set up your Venmo account, you should add your bank information to send or receive payments. Step 1. To sync your bank information, tap the three lines in the upper left-hand corner of the home screen, then tap Transfer Balance. Displayed in blue at the top of the menu, select either Instant or 1-3 biz days on the balance screen. Step 2, a new menu labeled Bank Verification will pop up at the bottom of the screen. If you have an account with a major national bank, you can select Instant Verification and simply sign into your bank's website to connect to Venmo. If you have an account with a smaller bank, like a local credit union, you may need to select Manual Verification to enter your bank's routing number, and your account number. Your bank may take up to 3 days to verify with this method. Step 3, if you choose Instant Verification, tap Continue twice to acknowledge that Venmo uses Plaid, an outside application, to connect to your bank. Select your bank from those listed. If you do not see the name of your bank, you may search for it using the search bar at the top of the screen. If it does not appear, go back to Step 3 and select Manual Verification.